Hello! Welcome to Mabel. Let's learn together.
The best way to learn the alphabet is through practice and repetition. Start by reciting the letters out loud, one by one, until you can recite them in order from A to Z. You can also try writing the letters down, tracing them with your finger, or creating flashcards to help you memorize each letter. Let me tell you about the letter A, which is the first letter in the alphabet. A is a very important letter because it is the first letter we learn when we start to read and write. The letter A has a special shape that looks like an upside-down V with a horizontal line across the middle. It is important to remember how to draw the letter A correctly, so that you can recognize it when you see it and write it properly. A is a very versatile letter because it can make different sounds. It can make a short sound, like in the word cat, or a long sound, like in the word cake. A can also be used in combination with other letters to make different sounds, such as AI in the word train, or O in the word laugh. Words that start with the letter A are all around us. You might have an apple for a snack, or you might play with an action figure. You might see an ambulance or an airplane in the sky. And if you love animals, you might be familiar with an alligator or an ant. Remembering the letter A is the first step in learning to read and write. As you practice, you'll become more familiar with this important letter and all the amazing words it helps to create. So let's give a big A for the letter A, and get ready to learn more about the alphabet. In conclusion, the letter A is a very important letter in the alphabet. It has a special shape, can make different sounds, and is used to create many common words that we use every day. By mastering the letter A and the rest of the alphabet, you will be well on your way to becoming a strong reader and writer. So keep practicing and exploring the wonderful world of language. Don't forget to support this channel by clicking like and subscribe buttons.